how to join tournaments in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, from the main game lobby or home screen, look for any special event announcements or pop-ups that mentions tournaments. You might also find tournament invitations or notifications in the message center or mailbox within the game. If there is a tournament available, follow the instructions in the announcements or message to join. This usually involves clicking on a link or button within the notification. Make sure to read the tournament rules, entry requirements, and rewards before confirming your participation. Ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the tournament. Once you join, you will receive details about the tournament schedule and how to compete. Stay active during the tournament to increase your chances of winning rewards and climbing the leaderboard. Remember to check the message center or notifications regularly for new tournaments or special events. Now you know how to join tournaments in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.